Okay, so here we are. We're at Fairfield County Airport. We're getting ready to take off on runway 22. We're going to stay in the pattern and we're going to fly and come back in and do a touch and go, or maybe a full stop landing. I'll just see what way it works. All right. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to tell it that we're ready to fly. And at that point, I should switch over and be ready to take off. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go down and I'm going to release our parking brake. I'm going to go back up. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to fly full power. And here we are. This is on Fairfield runway 22. Say when we get about 45, 50, I'm going to probably start lifting the nose. Give it just a little bit of a brake right about now. I'll go ahead and lift back. So I should start flying. Now if I go ahead and take a little look to the left, you can see. A little look to the right, you see. Our climb is a little bit high, so I'm going to go ahead and lower the nose a little bit to get about VX or VY. We're about 65 knots climbing. Still looking good. And looking good over here. Alright, so what I'm going to do at about 1,000 feet here, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to insert my flaps are up, which do it. And then what I'm going to do now is I'm going to roll left for a crosswind on 2-2. See, it looks like I'm going down. And then what I'm going to do is go ahead and start straightening back out. As I see, I'm going to be paralleling the runway.
Jacksonville Center Cessna Alpha Sierra X-Ray Golf Sierra is type Cessna Skyhawk 1 mile south of Kilo Foxtrot Delta Whiskey 1,200 feet. Request flight following.
Stay down about.
Cessna Alpha Sierra X-Ray Golf Sierra
Take it back down to about 1,200 feet.
Squawk 610.
Full power back about 2,100 RPMs.
Squawk 6101 Cessna X-Ray Golf Sierra.
You see it's over there. So I am downwind, runway 22, Fairfield County. Right in front of us there is the Mac plant, the old Mac plant where they built trucks. And what we'll be doing is we'll be turning left base right before we get there. If I see I look back, I can see that my threshold is in my left corner of my back. So therefore I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to turn. I'm going to pull back the throttle. I'm going to make a turn over to the left, the left base. I'm going to go ahead and slow it down and drop in some flaps. I'll take a look at where I'm at position-wise, and I'm going to go ahead and turn final. What I'm going to do. See, I'm coming in. Drop flaps all the way, slow it down. I'm going real fast for this speed, but I'm going to go ahead and pull back, let it knock off some of that speed, and then go back down, settle back down on the runway, and make a landing. Now what I'm going to do now is hit the brakes, and that is a full stop at Fairfield County Airport.